to 824. Profile, French door, refrigerator, using 134A. So we couldn't get the water dispenser to work, but I think all we did wrong was we didn't push this pad deeper in. The activation switch isn't just like gentle, you gotta push it in hard.
I'm not going to kill myself like they did before, right?
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, now just put a cup in here. Get a regular cup and just make it work.
We need to be hard.
I think our problem was just wasn't pushing hard enough.
See, I think there needs some padding.
Okay, so I guess it's missing a padding.
How come this one is not? It's not sprinkling with. Supposed to be. Is it too tight or what? Oh, is it right? Something doesn't seem to be stuck in there.
There's a piece that broke here. That we didn't do. See this?
No, that we didn't do it. Yeah, but still, there's no movement. Either we tied too much, or something was not put in right. Okay, now let's try this. Let's try this.
Maybe we have to take this out and glue some padding back there.
Let's put some padding there. But let's try to. Okay, let's just put some padding in here. Yeah.
So we need to take this out again and see if we can glue something back there.
I have some padding.